Peanut butter dates back to the Aztecs and the Incas. It was rediscovered as a valuable nutritional product in North America in late 19th century. The production of this food paste has always been a demanding and physically challenging process. Following a breakthrough development by our engineering department, GlobeCore created a new line of colloid mills, which dramatically simplifies the processing of nuts into paste, the MLC line. The MLC mills may also be used for production of fruit purees, jams, various spreads and pastes, yogurts, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, and even ice cream. All mills are made of food-grade stainless steel and are specifically designed for production of highly stable colloidal solutions, superfine suspensions, blends, and emulsions. GlobeCore colloid mill is highly productive, offering maximum output in minimum time, making it exceptionally suitable for small and medium-sized businesses involved in food processing and production. For more information, please visit us at globecore.com.